This activity is applications of oblique triangles, and what we've learned this unit is that trigonometry can be used to solve unknown sides and angle measures in both right triangles and oblique triangles. And we're going to review which strategy you use in which situations. And first off, we use primary trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, whenever there is a right triangle. So the triangle has to be have a 90-degree angle, as in this case. And what you need to know in order to solve any problems involving triangles, right triangles using trigonometric ratios, is you're going to need an angle measure and a side length, or two side lengths. And then you can use sine, cosine, and tangent in order, one of these trig ratios, in order to solve for one of your unknown sides or angles. Sine law and cosine law are used when we're dealing with oblique triangles. For example, this triangle that is not a right angle triangle. Now, to use sine law, you need a side length and the corresponding angle. So for example here, we are given angle S and the corresponding side, the 15 centimeters, and we're also given an angle measure. We could also be given another side length, and we can use sine law in order to solve problems. Cosine law requires that we know two sides in the contained angle, as in this case, where we have a side length and another side length, and then the angle measure between, or the contained angle for these two sides. The other situation we can use cosine law is when we know the length of all three sides in our triangle. Now, sometimes it's necessary for you to combine your knowledge of right triangles and oblique triangles to solve some problems. So this question here, what I'd like you to do is find any angle measures that you can, and what you're going to try and do here is find the value of D. So this is side length AB. So I want you to see if you can find side D.